Hello everyone, my name is Diogo Correia and today I will demonstrate how to use the KROFtools ATF change system.
So here we have the KROFtools automatic transmission fluid changing system. We can now see the fresh and old oil containers inside the machine, and also the oil filter, which is advised to be changed every 8 to 10 services. Here we see the menu with all the available features like complete fluid replacement or an existing fluid cleaning feature. Here we will select the vehicle we are working with, which in this case is a VW Touareg. After selecting the vehicle, the screen will show us all the necessary adapters and the correct joint in the vehicle to use to access the system. Once we have this information, we can retrieve all the set adapters from the extensive kit supplied with the system, which covers all mainstream manufacturers. All the adapters are labeled, making these very easy to identify. Here is the kit as required for this specific vehicle. We now locate the joint in the gearbox, which in this case is the oil cooling system interface. After this, we remove the lines from the gearbox, gaining access to the inlet and outlet so we can insert the adapters as supplied. We should now use the fixing tabs provided to fasten the adapters in place using the OEM bolt we removed previously. Once these are secured, we can thread the adapter hoses that will now connect to the hoses attached to the machine. We put down the oil waistline, which is not required for this procedure, and connect the inlet and outlet hoses to the vehicle. We now select the intended feature, which in this case will be a cyclic cleaning, which allows us to clean the existing fluid instead of replacing it. We select the desired time for the clean, which in this case will be 10 minutes. This may vary from vehicle to vehicle, so consult the instruction manual for more detail. We now start the engine and fluid will start flowing through the system. We now start the cycle and wait for 5 minutes with the engine idling whilst fluid is cleaned. After 5 minutes, we put the gearbox into reverse and allow fluid to flow through the machine. We then put the gearbox into drive and accelerate the engine up to 60 kilometers an hour. Verifying we have positive oil pressure in the system. We now wait for the timer to run to 0. It is advised you do a cyclic cleaning at the halfway point of your gearbox fluid replacement service interval. The cycle is now complete and the gearbox fluid has been cleaned. We now select the oil addition feature, as it is advised that you add half a litre of fluid when you perform a clean to balance any losses during vehicle operation and the clean itself. Here you can select the amount of oil to be added and also see the quantity of fresh oil available in the tank. We now go to the back of the machine and add fresh oil to the system through the filter drawer and check the oil level as it rises. We now run the engine again and press the execute button to add the intended oil quantity. the oil has now been successfully topped up. Here we can see the oil replacement feature, where we can control the amount of oil to be replaced depending on the vehicle. We can also see the amount of fresh and old oil in the tanks.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.